Hello, this is my implementation of a speech to SQL system. In the interest of keeping this video brief, I've done some of the setup steps already, but I will still go through kind of what's required, and then there will be a demonstration. So the first thing you need to do is you need to either input or load from a file a schema notes or any rules that you want to follow. So here I've loaded the create tables for a database and any additional constraints that they have. Here you can see that I've selected my current microphone. It's the only microphone I have, so it's the only one being detected. You can either load a recording or you can load a recording or you can record one yourself from inside here. It does use Whisper, so you will have to have a Whisper client and a Whisper model both installed and selected using the browse buttons. I am electing to use a local Ollama Quen 3 instance hosted here to generate the SQL, but you can also use any OpenAI Compile API, in which case you'll need not only an endpoint and model, but an API key. So now getting into the demonstration, this is an IMDb type of database, which I have loaded up over here so that we can test the generated SQL. I can start recording. Show me actors who have participated in the most comedy movies. Then you press stop and transcribe. Transcribes it down here, and then based on this context and this ask, you can generate a SQL. This can take some time depending on your model and other factors. Okay, and here we can see the SQL that it has generated, and this SQL should be able to be plugged directly into the database, and we'll just see if it works now. Unfortunately, we see here that this hasn't quite worked. I believe that's because the genres capitalized. And yep, there we go. We can see Mel Blanc, Best Flowers, Edgar Kennedy, all the names of actors who have participated in comedy movies and the number that they've participated in. And that is the demonstration.